y'all. Okay, let's finish where we left off. So this one is asking what is the solution to the system of equations. So I've got to put this in Desmos, and I'm going to get a y equals mx plus b. And then I've got to get two friendly points over here. I can give you a hint. This one is -4, and then this one, I would just count the lines because the numbers are kind of blurry. Sorry about that. But this is 1, 2, and this is 1, 2. So make your table, x, y. Put your y-intercept, and then this guy here, that's 2, 2, FYI, and this is 0, -4, and then get your y equals mx plus b. I don't know why I keep writing a b there. Mx plus blank, and then graph this one and this one into Desmos, and then put your coordinate pair over here. I would also suggest that after you put this table in and you write your equation down, delete that table so that you just have your y equals mx plus b, and you will have to type in this and this. I would suggest that you type in two equations so that you can clearly visualize that there are only two lines on Desmos going through there, and it'll make a nice little X, and then this will be your answer. Number 10, you're going to do the same exact thing. Get your y equals mx plus b here. And then over here, get your friendly point. That's visible, and that's visible. Make your table in Desmos, and then write y equals blank x plus blank. Graph this one, find out where they cross. It asks how many years are the total costs of the two washing machines equal. I would just look at the x value for the most part, because the x is years and the y is years. So this should be in years. X value. All right, number 11 says a student bought a personal pizza from Pizza Hut and paid $4.60 plus 60 cents for each topping. That is an equation. So I need Pizza Hut. My y equals, what's the slope, plus the starting point or the starting price, and then Domino's, y equals the slope plus that starting price. Another student bought a personal pizza from Domino's and paid $4 plus 75 cents each. Remember the word that tells us it goes next to a slope, next to the slope, or x goes next to that number. And then it says if the student spent the same amount of money and got the same number of toppings, how many toppings did each get? So your x value is going to be your answer here. They got x number of toppings. Number 12, solve for y on both. Solve both for y. This one, you will just need to subtract 2x from both sides. This one, you will need to subtract x from both sides. Then divide by -2. Each term gets divided. Okay, then you'll get 2y equals by honey, 2y equals, graph them and find out where they intersect. Here I've got two lines, and eventually they're going to cross, but they left me with a cliffhanger here. I don't know where they're going to cross. I can either apply my slope. This is down 1 to the right one, down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1. And this is down 1, 2 to the left 2, down 2 to the left 2. I can apply my rise and run, or I can just go to Desmos, make two charts. And then put these in there, 5, 4, -3, 2, 3, 5, and 1, 1. Now this is to get you a more accurate answer because Desmos will show you where they intersect, but again, I would type in the y equals mx plus blank and the y equals mx plus blank only. So once you get your y equals mx plus b here, write it down, change your table to these points. Write down your equation, delete your table, and then type in y equals this and y equals this on the next line, and then see where they cross. Number 14 is a special one. I think we did a shortcut for number 14 in class. I want you to go through and do this one. So this one's already done for you. Y equals negative 3x minus 5. Over here, I want you to go to Desmos and tell me what this equals. Y equals blank x plus blank. Graph both. So you're going to graph this y and graph this y. What do you see? So tell me what you see here. All right, I hope this helps. Have a great one.